Hi, my name is Ingrid Alliance. I'm the chef owner of Pinch of My Cuisine. Pinch of My Cuisine is a private chef business right here in Orlando. I also have some home product called in my language produit la caille. I have some herbal lardons, I have some spices, I have some flavored oil. One of them is Scotch bonnet oil. I'm here in Orlando to bring you the taste of Haiti. I started in 2017. I started selling food on Facebook. I've been working in the industry since 2012. And then my idea now is to bring the taste of Haiti in Orlando. Started back in 2017. I started selling, like I was saying, I started selling some Asian street food on Facebook. And then in 2018, I gave up and once. In 2019, I gave up again. And then now I'm pushing forward. I'm pushing forward. During COVID 19, I had the time to create some product. My first product was vinegar, Asian spicy vinaigrette. It's a classic recipe. It's a classic recipe. And moving forward, I'm launching my website today. Um, for those who haven't tried Asian food, it's delicious, flavorful. Some people you eat spicy, but not everybody eats spicy, and it's kind of mixed. And we have that umami flavor in our cuisine. All right. Like I said, my name is Chef Ingrid Alliance. I'm here in Orlando, launching my website today. People can order. People in the U.S. for now, and then I'm gonna be adding some other stuff, and people in Europe will be able to order my pinch. All right. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for having me. Thank you for supporting Pinch of My Cuisine. Hey, it's not only gonna be online, it's gonna be live. All right. Have a blessed one. Bye.